Welcome to Sri Digambar Institute of Technology, Dosa. I am Sadanand Parashar from Civil Engineering Department, subject Design of Concrete Structure, lecture number 20, and topic name Numerical of Two-Way Slab. In previous video, we discussed about analysis and design of two-way slab by limit state method. Now we discuss about the numerical on two-way slab by limit state method. Numerical problem question is design a RC slab, reinforced concrete slab for a room measuring 5 meter into 6 meter size. The slab is simply supported on all the four edges with corners held down and carries a superimposed load of 3 kilonewton per meter square, inclusive of floor finish, etc. Use M20 grade of concrete and Fe 415 of steel, grade of steel. In this question, given 5 into 6 meter size of room, which is longer span is 6 meter and shorter span is 5 meter, and superimposed load of 3 kilonewton per meter square, and M20 grade of concrete, which means that FCK equal to 20 Newton per mm square, which is characteristic strength of concrete, and Fy equal to 415 Newton per mm square, which is yield strength of steel. Now solution: computation of loading and bending moment. From deflection point of view, L upon D equal to 20 for simply supported. These are the three L upon D ratio for different beams. For cantilever, L upon D ratio equal to 7, and for simply supported, L upon D ratio equal to 20, and for continuous beam, L upon D ratio equal to 26. So here beam is simply supported, so we take L upon D ratio equal to 20. Let's assume PT, percentage of steel, equal to 0.2% for an under reinforced section. Hence, from figure of Indian Standard Code 456/2000, we get modification factor equal to 1.68. This value is taken from Indian Standard Code, as we discussed in analysis and design of two-way slab video. Hence, L upon D equal to 20 into modification ratio, which is 1.68, equal to 33.6, and D equal to, so we take one side only D, other side all the values. So D equal to 148.8 final value. Here we put value of L, which is 5 meter. We convert in mm. So here L equal to 5000 mm and upon 33.6. So here we get 148.8 mm. Providing 20 mm nominal cover and 8 mm bar. So we provide here nominal cover and 8 mm dia bar. So overall depth which is denoted by capital D, and effective depth, which is small d. So here capital D equal to small d plus nominal cover plus die of bar. So we sum of all these values. So capital D here equal to 148.8 plus 20 plus 8. Final value equal to 172.8 mm. Hence assume an overall depth of 180 mm for the purpose of computing dead load. Now our overall depth equal to 172.8 mm. So we assume the capital D value greater than this value. So here we take 180 mm for early calculation in. So we take 180 mm. Now self weight of slab per meter square equal to 0.18, which is capital D in meter, into 1 into 1 into 25. 25 year unit weight of concrete. When we calculate self weight, we multiply B into D into T, which is thickness, into unit weight of concrete. Self weight of slab equal to 4.5 kilonewton per meter square, and superimposed load, which is given in question, which is 3 kilonewton per meter square. So here superimposed load equal to 3 kilonewton per meter square. Now we calculate total load. Total load, which is denoted by W, equal to 7.5 kilonewton per meter square. Now hence factored total load. So we provide factor of safety 1.5 for load. So we here multiply with total load into 1.5. Here 1.5 is factor of safety. Now factored load equal to 11.25 kilonewton per meter square, taking an effective depth of 150 mm. Effective Ly. So here we take effective depth small d equal to 0.150 mm. We can also written as 0.15 meter. So here our longer span is 6 meter. So Ly equal to effective Ly, which is L plus D, small d, small d equal to 0.15. So here effective Ly equal to 6 plus 0.15. Now effective Ly equal to 6.15 meter. As effective Lx, which is our shorter span is 5 meter. So effective Lx, which is effective shorter span, which is 5 plus 0.15 equal to 5.15 meter. So here we take Ly upon Lx ratio, which is decided what is which type of slab, one-way slab or two-way slab, as we discussed in previous videos, how to define one-way slab and two-way slab. One-way slab and two-way slab decided by Ly by Lx ratio, which is longer span upon shorter span ratio. So here our longer span is 6.15 and shorter span is 5.15. So here 6.15 divided by 5.15. So here we our values are 1.2, which is less than 2. So in this case, when Ly upon Lx ratio is equal to or less than 2. The type of slab is two-way slab. So here our two-way slab. From table 27 of Indian Standard Code 456/2000, we take coefficient value, which is alpha x and alpha y. So we select value alpha x equal to 0.072 and alpha y equal to 0.056. Now we calculate moment MUX and MUY, which formula is MUX formula is alpha x WU and LX square, and MUY calculate equal to alpha y WU upon LX square. So here we put value alpha x value, this alpha x, so here, and WU, which is here 11.25, and LX this here, so put here. Now final value WUX equal to 21.483 kilonewton meter, and MUY equal to this value alpha y into WU, which is 11.25 into LX, which is 5.15. Now final 16.709 kilonewton meter. And for shorter span, width of middle strip, for middle strip 3/4 LY, and for edge strip 1/8 L. So here we put LY value, so 3/4 6.15 equal to the width of middle strip is 4.61 meter, and width of edge strip, which is 0.5 into 6.15 minus 4.61. So final width of strip equal to 0.77 meter. For longer span, width of middle strip 3/4 LX equal to 3/4 into 5.15 equal to 3.87 meter. Width of edge strip equal to 0.5 into 5.15 minus 3.87 equal to width of edge strip equal to 0.64 meter. Computation of effective depth and total depth. Here we effective depth find out by square root of MUX divided by RUB. MUX value, which is here 21.483 into 10 to the power 6, which is converted in Newton mm, and RU value equal to 2.761, and B RUB total value 2.761 into 10 to the power 3. This is also calculate 0.36 FCK XU into B. So here small d equal to 88.2 mm. However, from the requirement of deflection, keep capital D equal to 180 mm. Therefore, small d equal to 180 minus 20 minus 4 equal to 156 mm. This is the total depth minus effective cover minus dia of bar. That for long span small d equal to 156 minus d equal to 148 mm. Computation of steel reinforcement for short span. AST equal to, for how to calculate steel reinforcement, this is the formula for steel reinforcement, which is AST equal to 0.5 FCK upon Fy 1 minus square root 1 minus 4.6 MUX divided by FCK BD square into BD, which is, put all the values in this formula. Now we get the value 403.2 mm square. Spacing in this formula, we can put all the values like 0.5 FCK, which is characteristic strength of concrete, which is 20 Newton per mm square, and upon Fy, which is steel grade, which is 4.15 Newton per mm square, and MUX value, which is discussed, that this is the MUX value 21.483 kilonewton meter. This value we can also convert in Newton mm. How to calculate? In this formula, kilonewton convert into Newton, which is multiply by 10 की power 3, and m convert in mm, multiply with 10 की power 3. So overall, when we convert Newton mm, we multiply with this value 10 की power 6. Now FCK value, which is characteristic strength of concrete, which is 20 Newton mm. Here B value, as we already discussed, B value and D value, which is small d 148 mm. All these values are put here, then we final get AST equal to 403.2 mm square. Spacing of 8 mm bar. For spacing, formula is 1000 into area of steel pi by 4 into d square. So we here provide pi by 4 into 8 ka square. So final value we get 50.3. So formula is 1000 AST upon AST, this AST. So we put values here and we get spacing equal to 124.7 mm. However, use 8 mm bars at the rate 20 mm spacing center to center for the middle strip of width 4.61 meter, edge strip of length equal to 0.77 meter. The reinforcement in the edge strip equal to 0.12 into D into 1000, which is 0.12 into B into D. Here B equal to 1000 mm and D equal to 180 mm. Upon 100, we get the reinforcement in the edge strip, which is 216 mm square. Provide spacing 8 mm, 25 center to center spacing. Computation of steel reinforcement for longer span. So here we calculate AST by this formula. We provide all these values and we get in this formula. When we calculated this formula, only one value is changes, all other values are same. Mu x replaced by mu y, all other values are same. So here we get AST y equal to 327.9 mm square. Spacing of 8 mm bar, we in previous slide we discuss about spacing formula, which is 1000 into AST, which AST we can also written as A5 upon AST. So we all the values are provided, then we get equal to 153.4 mm. Provide 8 mm bars at the rate 150 mm center to center for the middle strip of width 3.87 meter. For edge strip of width equal to 0.6 meter. AST equal to 216 mm square. Hence provide spacing 8 mm at the rate center to center 225 mm. 225 mm. Torsional reinforcement at corners. So here we calculate torsional reinforcement at corners. Size of torsion mesh, which is equal to L by X divided by 5. So here L by L X value is 5.15 divided by 5. We get value equal to 1.03 meter from the center of support. So here we can also written as 1.03 plus 0.008. So this is the dia of bar. So equal to 1.10 from the edge of the slab. Area of torsional reinforcement, which is 3 by 4 AST. So here we provide AST X value. So 3 by 4 into 403.2 mm. So we get the value area of torsional reinforcement equal to 302.4 mm square. Required spacing 8 mm at the rate 166 mm. Provide spacing. So we provide spacing below this value. This is the maximum value. So we in the design we provide spacing 8 mm at the rate 150 center to center spacing. So this is the question, how to we analysis and design the two-way slab by limit state method. Thank you.